Hey everybody, Cut Your Mouse here, and a long overdue masking morning. I haven't been keeping up with my skin because of my issues, and I'm going to change up the masking morning a little bit just for today because I do have a doctor's appointment that I'm going to today. As soon as my mother-in-law gets here, I'm starving, and you'll find out about that on Medical Monday, which will be this Monday on my adult channel. And if you're not familiar with my adult channel, it's down below. It's Purple Zebra 06, but I'm not going to be reading reviews and all that other stuff today. We're just going to go into it blindly. This is by Bliss. We have the Holographic Foil Sheet Mask Hangover Fix replenishes with electrolytes. And look at that packaging. Woo! Apparently that is what your mask is going to look like. Looking on here to see, it says it's a no slip, no drip. The laser thin flexible foil helps the soft underlayer cling securely to skin so that you can multitask while you mask. Delivers nearly a full bottle of serum in just one treatment. So wait! You leave it on for 15-20 minutes. And I'm not seeing a whole lot of anything. The headache-free holographic foil mask with essential probiotics, electric lights, and pear extract. My eyes keep going in and out. This is horrible. Well, hold on to the wall for a moment. Replenishes and rebalances dull, dehydrated skin for instantly brighter, revived complexion. So we're going to try this out first, and then when that's done, I'll let you know what I think about that. And then we're going to try out this other Bliss one. This is the Holographic Foil Eye Mask. I got this. Depuffs and brightens. And it's also a 15-20 minute mask. Says that you do not need to rinse. Some of these masks that say that you do not need to rinse, I end up having to rinse because the stickiness just doesn't go away. It says there's enough with the puff. This holographic eye mask refreshes and awakens eyes as a potent serum, a unique vegetable derived. Oh my gosh, come on eyes. Work. Combo of moisturizers plus soothing hexapeptide. Soothes and helps visibly reduces puffiness and dark circles. I got the vent right behind me, and buddy, I'm burning up. So we're going to start out with this bad boy. We're going to open her up. I love face masks, but with my situation lately, I just don't have the strength to love my face masks. Oh, that must be the lotion on my hands. I was like, oh, that smells good. Must be the lotion. Whoa. A whole bottle of serum in here? That's crazy. I've never seen one like this before. Woohoo! Looks like it's got wine glasses and cocktail glasses on it and everything else. Okay. That is the mask. So we're going to slap this bad boy on. You must have clean, dry skin to start off with. And I just got out of the shower not too long ago, so. Very, 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 very slimy. Oh my gosh. Okay, that's a little bit too far down. Alright, I will be back in 15-20 minutes. We'll have a little talk about this. And I will have to do some adjusting here. Oh, that folds down. Sweet. I didn't even see it. But I'll see you guys in about 15-20 minutes. Alright, we had to move this outside. The wood burner works really, really good. It's really, really hot inside. And yes, you hear my heater, porch heater out here on, but there's a nice little chill, so it's kind of like, it's warm. It's not like making me sweat. Alright, I took that mask off. I rubbed it in, let it hang out for a second, you know. It still feels like there's stuff sitting on top of my skin. So we'll come back to that after I finish the other mask, just in case it just needs a little bit more time, because it did say it gives you about the full amount of a serum bottle. Now this is kind of cottony. I forgot to talk about it. This is kind of cottony. This is the inside of the mask that was touching my face, with like a light layer of foil on top of it. So it's very, very comfortable. As for slip-free, unless you're laying down with straight on your back, it has slippage, like mainly right here. Even when I wasn't talking, it was slipping down. I could feel it going down here. I had already pulled it all the way up to my hairline, and that part for the lip was like right up underneath my nose, and it still slipped, like just this area where the mouth area is and down around the chin. So that's a lie that it does not slip. If you want to try this mask, you know, you're going to have to lay down for it. My face does feel moisturized, but like I said, it feels like there's stuff still on it, so there might be a chance. Ooh, that spot feels like it's starting to dry down. I've had the mask off for like 20 minutes and been rubbing my face off and on. It doesn't have no smell to it, so if you're big about not having fragrance, this would be it. So we're going to go ahead and pop these bad boys on. I've had them sitting out here so they could chill. They weren't put in the refrigerator. I don't think I really have any puffiness. I just need some extra moisture up underneath my eyes. Even though this is going to be puff and brighten, maybe some brightening might be good, because I haven't been sleeping well. And don't mind my little baby hairs. It's all sticking up all over the place. That will be fixed in a second. And I like the inside of this package. If you're a holo person, then you'd like the inside of this package. I know it's just packaging, but like, see the top up here where it's been opened up? I don't know if you guys will be able to see the holo in there or not. This one's awful bubbly. That one kind of has like a light layer of cheap makeup. And you remember those little dolls in the 90s? Maybe, no, I think they were the 80s. They're about this big. They had like cupcake smells. Like one was a blueberry cupcake, one was a strawberry cupcake. Oh, and I'm not talking about the strawberry shortcake doll. These were just, they were other little dolls. Let's get these slimy little guys out of here. Ew. It was just too much slime. Ooh, but they're pretty. My eye masks are pretty. There is another one in there, or is it all stuck together? I don't see anything in there, so they must be stuck together. Yeah, they're stuck together. It looks like this. Look how pretty that is. I mean, we're not here for the prettiness, but and don't mind me, I'm just going to use that viewfinder right there. Oh! That's cold! Maybe I need to do this every time I start having a hot flash. And this goes on for 15 to 20 minutes also. I hope I'm putting these on right. Anybody else do that too? Aw, how cute. But cute doesn't make it effective. Pretty nice look, right? Alright, I will be back in 15-20 minutes. They're cold, they're slimy. And I think they're supposed to be non-slip too. But I tore off the top. Nope. Doesn't say anything about non-slip, so we will see what happens with these. Alright, those little eye masks are off. They did brighten a little bit. I do have a lot more moisturizing going on under my eyes. Not bad. They stayed in place very well. Did not have to keep rubbing at them or anything, so those work great for that. They are very dried out now. So you can see them just a little bit more. That's the back side. There's your front side. They're cute. They work pretty pretty good. I mean, my under eyes are kind of looking a little horrendous for the moment, just because lack of sleep, and then finally getting sleep, and then I'll probably have more lack of sleep. But as for the rest of the bigger face mask, I'm gonna go in there and take a damp rag and wipe my face, because if I put moisturizer on over top of this, I have very acne prone skin, and this will fester up some pretty big pimples if I leave it like this. But my face does feel moisturized, so that's great. Sorry guys, having a moment. Not bad little masks. I will leave down in the description box the prices for the masks. They did come from Ulta, so if you're interested in trying them and you've got super dry skin, this would be for you. Definitely for you. Like the big full face mask, definitely for you. Alright, I did want to say I have an Ulta haul that's going up on 24th. I don't know if I said it already in the video. The first like 8 minutes, I re-recorded all that video over and over again. And for some reason, once I put it up on to my YouTube Studio app, and I could watch it through the YouTube without anybody else being able to watch it because it's scheduled, it keeps screwing up the first 8 minutes. Now, I can go back to my camera roll, and it's fine there. I can go through my editing process, and it's fine there. But once it hits YouTube, it's messing up, and I see a lot of people having problems with that too. So if you can hang tight through the first 8 minutes and maybe not pay attention to my mouth moving and my words not matching my mouth, that would be awesome. I do have somewhat of a giveaway going on for this channel. If I can reach 500 subscribers by December 31st at 11:59 p.m., I will have a $100 Visa gift card for the winner. It'll be a comment picker. Sorry, I'm going through some stuff right now. The video you will need to comment and like on will be down in the description, so please go back to that if you're new and you haven't done that. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and leave me a comment, and I will get back to you. It might take me a second because I only give myself about an hour a day to answer comments, because that's usually as long as I have until this surgery happens. So I will see everybody later. Love ya. Bye.